Hey Sierra, this is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts Zach Now
and Camry Center.
This week we'll be talking about class registration, World Mental Health Esteem Month, and chewing gum in class.
The answer to last week's riddle was a stapler. Nobody got it right. Remember, teachers, be sure to turn on securely, or students shut your Chromebooks before we say this week's riddle. Here's the riddle. The person who makes it has no need of it. The person who buys it has no use for it. The person who uses it can neither see nor feel it. What is it?
Teachers, make sure you're sending your students' answers to Miss Kelly for a chance to win. Now please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Gray Junior High School's mission. CA Gray Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now to this week's featured expectation. Kona Ice is coming this Wednesday. Be sure to remember your money, Gabe. Also, class registration is happening this next couple of weeks. Be sure to choose classes you will enjoy as you are most likely stuck with them for the whole year.
Today is National Croissant Day, so say thank you to Marie Antoinette for bringing croissants to France.
Croissant!
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Now for World Health Esteem Month, here are a few tips to take care of yourself.
This week's clubs are HOSA, FFA, Spanish, Gentlemen's Club, Yearbook, Ladies, Drama, and Cyber Club.
Remember, Kona Ice is coming this week, and be prepared to choose your classes for registration.
We'll see you next week, CA Gray. This is Dream Factory News, signing off.